Hey, what's going on, everybody out there in social media? And happy Saturday morning as I am recording this video. Here is my destination this morning. We're heading out to Ratchet Baggers, my boy Danny's shop. I need to order some help. All right, he's gonna make for me a license plate bracket holder because I've had some trouble. If you've been following along on our video series, specifically from this motorcycle that I'm riding, this is our Black Demon. We ended up switching up these fenders, got some custom imported fenders from Germany, which we then prepped, and of course we did our own specialty wrap on it, as well as suspension and a whole bunch of other fun stuff on this motorcycle. Is definitely no longer stock. Having said that, we ended up having to lose the original license plate bracket holder. So we've been riding around without a license plate, and if you saw my last couple of videos about this motorcycle, you know that I had some issues with the police, and I'm done with that. I've handled the issue. It was some ridiculous stupidity that happened with a DMV. To tell you a long story short, a year ago, this is actually over a year ago, I sold a BMW to a car dealership, and on the switch, that car dealership didn't report the insurance to the DMV. So, you know, me being a good rider, and I definitely am, I have zero reason to check in the DMV website. Zero reason. So I had no idea that they had tagged my license because the dealer never updated the insurance records, and the DMV tagged my license. So I got pulled over a few weeks back in the Keys when I went down for a ride, and they pulled my license and saw that. Essentially they threatened to impound my motorcycle. They actually loaded it up on a tractor, not on a tractor, on a flatbed tow truck. And of course, me being the good Miami boy that I am, I offered the tow truck driver some money, and he drove a few miles up the road, and he let me off, and here we are today, still driving around with no license plate on this motorcycle. So boys and girls, don't do as I do to avoid any issues with police. So here I am this morning. I am riding around my town. I live down in the town of Kendall area in Miami, if you know the area. And I am heading over to my boy Danny's shop, and he's an amazing technician, mechanic, fabricator, do everything with motorcycles. And I'll show you his page once again once we get closer, but that's where we are headed right now. It's a beautiful, clear morning, and I can't stop looking at the rearview mirrors, making sure that there's no police behind me. So enjoy the music. I will catch up with you in just a moment to tell you a little bit more about his shop. So I've made it to Ratchet Baggers, and as I've definitely detailed in all of my social, this channel, this YouTube channel, is definitely not sponsored by anyone or anything. And if I am talking about a company or people, it's because I use them myself, their services, their products, and they've treated me good. So here's Ratchet Baggers. Owner is Danny, real great guy, down to earth, very cool people. He owns the shop and he does all kinds of work on modern motorcycles, from choppers to bobbers to baggers, of course, you name it, he does it. So if you're in the area, definitely stop on by Ratchet Baggers. And here on this image, I thought it would be comical to show you guys. This is how long it takes me to actually get my motorcycle started and get ready to go. And that's everything from putting on this helmet that the button is really high up on the strap and it's a pain in the butt, to getting my glasses on, which I dropped 1,000 times. Yes, I need glasses, but these are also for the sun. So yeah, I always have my glasses with me, as well as getting my bike turned on, getting the suspension right, and finally turn around and getting it out of here. Look how long it takes. Me adjusting the air suspension, which, by the way, I did buy my parts for the air suspension here, right here from Ratchet Baggers. And I've used Legends air suspension on multiple motorcycles. I want to say maybe 6 or 7 of the motorcycles I've had. And I love the product. It's fantastic once you figure out, the whole dampening positioning based on your body weight or how much weight you're carrying on your motorcycle. Once you get that right, this suspension is amazing. So I cannot speak highly enough about Legends air suspensions. If you have any questions, by all means, drop them down below and I'd be happy to guide you as best as I can. So Danny actually paid me a really awesome compliment as I shared with him about this motorcycle, and when I told him that this is a wrap, he basically said, "That's a wrap," like all shocked. We were talking about one of his customers that recently got a Harley and he was considering painting it, and Danny was talking to him about possibly wrapping it. So he was, he was saying, case in point, this motorcycle looks great. He says that this is one awesome wrap, and thank you very much for that compliment. Hopefully you remember me if anybody asks. Guys, yes, we are wrapping all sorts of motorcycles, cars, vans, trucks, commercial vehicles, you name it. We got you. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. So as I wrap up my little morning ride, guys, thank you so much for riding along with me. As always, I appreciate you. If you're following our channel, please sharing is caring. Let everybody know that is involved in the motorcycle scene, customizing scene. I would be happy to have you on board, guys. Again, any questions you might have, any guidance I could offer, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am here for you guys. Thank you so much.